Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make text vertical in Google Docs. This trick is really useful if you want to create creative titles, side labels, or add a unique style to your document. First, open Google Docs in your browser and either create a new document or open an existing one. Navigate to the spot where you want your vertical text to appear. From the top menu, click on Insert, hover over Drawing, and then select New. This will open up the drawing editor. Inside the drawing window, click on the text box icon at the top and draw a text box. Type in your text, and feel free to adjust the font, size, color, or alignment to match the style you want. Once your text is ready, use the rotate handle at the top of the box to turn your text vertically. You can rotate it to the left, right, or even flip it upside down depending on your design. When you're happy with it, click Save and Close, and your vertical text will now appear directly in your document. You can then move it around, change how it interacts with your content by using text wrap options, or even place it in front of or behind other text for more layout flexibility. If you ever need to make changes, just click on the text again and choose Edit to return to the drawing editor. And that's it. You've successfully added vertical text in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Google Docs tutorials. See you in the next video.